Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live and welcome to another show from Camp Margaritaville in Crystal Beach, Texas. You know, as we take a drive through Camp Margaritaville, this is a Texas-sized RV resort. Beachfront with some great amenities. In fact, you can't beat the Texas-sized pool, the kids' playground, and the spacious RV spots. But they also have Paradise Park, and they've got live music every weekend. In fact, the best way to keep up with everything is to go to their website at campmargaritavillecrystalbeach.com and sign up for their newsletter, where periodically they send out updates on their live music and discounted stays. As you can see, Camp Margaritaville is first class, and you can't beat the stay there. You can't beat the live music, the Texas-sized pool, and everything's beachfront. With a short walk or a golf cart ride, you can have your toes in the sand and feel that coastal breeze in your hair. Now, Camp Margaritaville's expanded over the years, and first they brought in the RVs, where they have about 30 RVs on site, set up, ready to go, and fully furnished. But the newest addition is the surf bungalows. And I tell you what, you can't beat a stay within walking distance of Finn's Bar and Grill, Paradise Park, and a Texas-sized pool right out your back door. In fact, I had a chance to take a look through them, and here's what I saw. When you walk in, you're greeted with some coastal colors, a big living room with a big screen TV on the wall, and a great kitchen to fix that breakfast or maybe a toddy as the sun sets. These units are 2-bedroom, one's upstairs and one's downstairs, and each has its own bathroom, with plenty of room to relax and enjoy your stay. Drink coffee on the deck, maybe cook on the grill, or make s'mores at the fire pit below. And I can tell you, a few of them, the premiers, even have a hot tub under their home. So if you're looking for a place to stay here on the upper Texas coast, you love live music, and you love a Texas-sized pool that's also heated in the wintertime, make sure you check out the surf bungalows, new at Camp Margaritaville. Now, you know, the live music that they have is unbelievable. They bring in the big names and they bring in the up-and-comers. In fact, let's take a look at the music coming in the weeks ahead. There's no better way to bring in 2026 than at Camp Margaritaville, and there's still time to get your tickets. So go to their website at www.campmargaritavillecrystalbeach.com. Check out their packages for New Year's Eve. They have a general package, which is $30 online and $35 the day of the show, but they also have a VIP with a meal. And I tell you what, I've been up there in years past. That's the ticket right there. Now let's look ahead. Friday, January 2nd, Lee Mathis. Saturday, January 3rd, Caleb Michael. Friday, January 9th, Matthew Marcus McDaniel. And Saturday, January 10th, Copperhead Jones. Friday, January 16th, Braden Stewart. Saturday, January 17th, Kyle Garrett. Friday, January 23rd, Caleb Hamby. Saturday, January 24th, Tyler Bond. Friday, January 30th, Chris Cunningham. And Saturday, January 31st, Tyler Branch. Well, as you can see, they've got some great live music, and it's all family friendly. They're at Paradise Park. In fact, you can have general admission, or you can relax in some of their couches, maybe an elevated table, or take a look from Finn's Bar and Grill, reserve you a spot up there to overlook the field and the concert venue. You can also enjoy some great food at Finn's Bar and Grill, which is open now in the fall, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So when you're looking for a place to stay here on the upper Texas coast, maybe you want to bring your RV down for a weekend getaway, or a week-long vacation, or an extended stay. Maybe you're running from the snow up north. Come on down to Camp Margaritaville. For more information on Camp Margaritaville, all their amenities, their rental units, both RV and the surf bungalows, make sure you check out their website at www.campmargaritaville.crystalbeach.com. You can also keep up with their live music. Well, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you at Camp Margaritaville in Crystal Beach, Texas. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these two businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.